In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Suno AI on Chrome and download your favorite songs. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned user, this guide will help ensure you have the music you love ready for listening whenever you want. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, as an outdated browser can sometimes cause issues with the functionality of websites like Suno AI. Once you've got Chrome open in the address bar, simply type in the URL for Suno AI. It's usually something straightforward, but if you're unsure, a quick search should lead you directly there. Once you're on the Suno AI homepage, you'll see a login button. It's typically located on the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure to have your Suno AI credentials handy, as you'll need either your username and password or the email associated with your account. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry. Most sites, including Suno AI, offer an option to reset it directly from the login page. Just follow the instructions carefully and you'll be ready to go in no time. After logging in successfully, you're now ready to find your desired song. This is where the fun begins. Use the search bar, often located at the top of the web page, to type in the name of the track or artist you're interested in. Once you press enter, Suno AI will swiftly display a list of results. Browse through these options until you find the exact song you're looking for. Now that you've found the song, the next step is to download it. On the songs page, you'll notice a download button. Go ahead and click that. Some songs might offer various file format options, such as MP3 or WAV. If this is the case, you'll be prompted to select your preferred file format. Choose the format that best suits your needs. MP3s are a popular choice for their balance of quality and file size, perfect for everyday use and storage. Finally, once you've selected the format, another window or menu will appear, asking where you'd like to save the file on your device. Select your desired location, whether it's a specific music folder or just your downloads folder. Following this, click Save. In just a few moments, depending on your internet speed and the file size, your song will download, ready for you to enjoy at your leisure. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily download any song from Suno AI to your device using Chrome. Thanks for joining me, and happy listening.